Wow, this is pretty. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 and Demi and I are actually rushing, so I got eggs and bread. They have a bunch of stuff here, but we are literally in a hurry. We have 8 minutes to eat, so we're just trying to rush this thing. I know, we got to eat. Demi, tell them what you got. You got bacon?
You want some?
Yeah.
It's at the end.
Let me get it.
Hi.
I got over easy eggs, some sausage, 2 pieces of baguettes. And then I mixed passion fruit and lime together. And that's it. Oh my god, I have hair in my face. A little bit of butter. We're actually trying to catch the bus right now. Butter toast. Yeah, our lipstick. Is the bus gonna leave at 9 or we just have to be there by 8:50? It leaves at 9. Okay, perfect. We can eat. Mari's gonna help me. Yeah, I know. Here. We're like Russian tea. Try mine. It's lime and passion fruit. Isn't that the one you gave us? When we first got it? No, I mixed it. I mixed lime with passion fruit. Play. Buzzing. We have the Viet coffee, guys! Okay. Oh, that's so good. I gotta try mine. So good. Take your time. No, if we miss the bus, we have to pay it extra. Here we go now. Yeah. Oh, good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So Demi went up to get her jacket because they said it was gonna be cold, and she got my jacket too. So we devoured that breakfast, yo. We should have woken up earlier. Should have known, but it's okay. We're on the bus to Banana Hills, Demi. The quick breakfast was worth it. Hey guys, we're at Banana Hills. It's gonna be fun. Okay, Dems, where to first? Wow, why is that so pretty?
I've never been here actually.
Yeah?
My first time.
Amazing.
I should have worn sneakers. I could probably get some Crocs and like
Wow, this is pretty. Let me show it to you guys. Wow! Banana Hills. That is beautiful. What? Wait, that's insane. Oh, they have some food. Oh my gosh. Wow, guys, look at this place. That is beautiful. It looks like tangled, you know, the sun. Wow, that's pretty.
It's a trend.
Can't believe we're here. It's really nice here.
It's not cold actually.
Yeah, it's not cold. I kind of knew that she was. You know.
Maybe when you get on the top of the hill. 'Cause
Oh yeah, true. Oh, wait, we're not at the top yet.
not yet.
Whoa.
We have
Coffee time! Coffee time! Oh yeah, everybody's gonna be on their tour, so we'll take it easy. See, that's a good thing about like being able to go around by yourself is you don't have to like follow the tour's pace.
That's why you want it.
Yes, I want.
Oh, they have
coconut.
coffee.
Wait, I kind of want the caramel or the coconut.
I'll get a coconut, you get a caramel.
Okay, let's do it. That's a good thing about having a sister. Fit check. Love that. Where's everything from? Oh my gosh, her jewelry that she bought yesterday. Love that.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn. Fit check. Slay.
The makeup.
Gosh, insane. What?
That's good.
This view is insane. Do you guys see the cable cars? It's drizzling a bit, but it's okay. Let's just pray that it's not gonna go heavier than this. Thank you. Coconut caramel. Thank you. Okay, let's taste test this.
You just did it for a bit?
Yeah. Let's
we
plan out
rushed.
our What about we go from top to bottom?
We could.
Right?
Because there's not much to do at the bottom.
Right?
Okay, there's different kingdoms.
Okay.
There's the Moon Kingdom, the
Oh.
Earth, and there's also the Sea is the Sun Kingdom.
We got a lot of kingdoms to go to today.
But I don't know which kingdom we're in right now. They have a Pop Mart here!
A what?
A Pop Mart.
Ooh. This caramel. We're sharing, but she has the coconut. How's the coconut? Good?
It's good.
Okay, let me try the caramel. Yeah, caramel's also good.
Should we try?
Ooh, it's like it's like a Twix bar. Coconut now, and she has a caramel.
Not the shaking. I like the
Milk,
coconut.
yeah, I like the caramel. It worked out.
수제 생맥주 바라일에서 직접 양성합니다. 양성하고 꼭 들어오세요.
Yeah.
술을 좋아하시거나
They just gave us a coupon because they thought we were part of the tour group.
We were part of the
So,
maybe we should go inside. Wait, I want to show them the cannon actually. Never mind. Wow, look at that. Demi, they can see you. I know, we got free food coupons. Wow, it's so beautiful here.
do you want to take a photo here? Like
Yes, we should. Wait, this is a great. Give me. Hi, okay, hi MTV. MTV. Demi's taking photos of the architecture, and I'm like very intrigued with the little Buddha here. Wow, this garden is amazing. Oh, you can go inside. Whoa, that's really cool. This is giving like old Korean drama. Stop. Are those chickens? Oh my gosh. Wait, why do they look so unreal? Guys, I am definitely a city girl. What? They got chickens.
Oh, they used your phone.
Yeah, I use my phone. Here, chicky. Oh my gosh, it stared at me. Okay, we should go. Palaces back in the ancient days are like, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, stay away from me. We're on the second floor of the palace. If I was a princess, I would be getting my steps in for real. Yay! We're at the cable car, guys. Guys, we got into the wall pass lane and we don't even have like any sort of, what do you call it? We didn't buy any pass. Oh my gosh, we're by the window. You just sit next to me. It's raining quite hard, but it's really dark. I know. We're in the cable. We went to the wall pass lane, which we did not buy at all. We're getting super lucky today. Yeah, we are. Lord, please stop the rain. It's kind of scary. We're in the cable car. Oh my lord. Jeez, why is it like actually maganda.
Nó cũng xem không bị mưa đúng không? Tôi không ngờ trên núi mà có suối vậy.
This is insane. It's so high. What the heck? What the heck? Oh Lord Jesus, help me. Oh Lord Jesus, help me.
Chị này dễ thương.
Do you think I get one of those?
Đừng nhìn xuống lại nhé. Nhìn lên thôi.
Yeah, it's okay. Still recording.
Did you go to Hong Kong? Oh, we're from Hong
nice.
Kong.
We're from Hong Kong. Yeah.
Đấy là nói chị là người Hồng Kông.
Yeah, we're from Hong Kong.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, from Vietnam. Is it your first time here?
Yeah, first time.
Us too.
Yeah, us too. First time.
Con muốn hỏi là hai chị có phải người chị em không?
Excuse me, are you sister?
Yeah, twins. Twins.
Là sinh đôi đó.
Thank you. It's raining though.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
Usually rainy season in April.
What's the good?
yes.
Oh, what's a sunny weather?
Jasmine and after
We picked the wrong time, but it's okay. Yeah, still okay. Yeah.
Try next
And
time.
inside is nice also, so it's good. We made it. That was the longest cable car ride I've ever been in my entire life.
Felt like 20 minutes.
Now I feel like we deserve a massage.
Yeah, no, I was thinking the same. I'm like,
The massage
get a
chair.
massage.
Fit check.
We got the
We got the Bana Hills. We are part of.
Okay,
Yay! Now we can go around.
keep going up and then we go down.
Yeah, let's do it. This is insane. I feel like I'm in a fairy tale. Demi! Would have been so nice if it's sunny. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is literally fairy tale dream. So cute. Let's go down here. Yeah. Wow. Look at the square. Adventure.
The center. I swear it's
Poor Demi. Wow. Still enjoy the view though. It's really beautiful. Like, look at that. Hi guys, so we are back on the cable car. Oh Lord. Oh my god. Wow. Is that normal? Okay, so that was the French Village. That's the French Village, guys. So we're going to the Golden Gate Bridge. Although it's not the ideal weather, I feel like it's still good. We got to experience it. The hand bridge. You kind of see a bit of it, but there's a lot of people here now. people. Is this just like one way? Whoa.
That's crazy.
I know.
Look, look, look.
What? Wow. Oop, I unclipped my... That's on me. That's fine.
Wow.
Wow, we're really here. Wait, that's actually really cool.
Even though it's rainy.
Yeah, no, it's still cool to... Wow.
We're gonna walk through the hand, guys.
Yes, we're gonna walk through the hand.
It's pouring out here. We're like soaked. But it's like fun. It's a great experience. Everyone's like soaking.
Wow.
Look at the hand.
That's cool.
Do you think there's like an end to this or like? Yeah.
I don't know if
We have
this
to
is
turn
one way.
back.
Guys, look at the fingers. But I wonder, was it like this before, right? Like, did it just look like a hand and then they just shaped it? Ouch. It's quite the experience though, in the rain. Wow! Go like here a bit. Where you're too short. Wait, maybe you go a bit like further. Oh wait, no, come closer. Come closer. Okay, wait, stop there. Ooh, Vietnamese donuts. Hello. We gotta find Demi. See if she wants to try the Vietnamese donuts. Do you want to try Vietnamese donuts? Hello. What is inside?
Inside has green bean and coconut.
Okay. Green bean?
Yes.
Can you choose or is it just one?
I sell one set into this is 50,000.
Oh, inside is green
Bean. Green bean.
green bean and coconut.
Yes.
It's gonna be good. Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it. Oh, is it green bean? Let's see. We got the Vietnamese donut. It has green bean inside and coconut. So let's try it. Let's try it. You know, why not? We're already here. Oh no, the stick has splinters. Should we do the other side? Dough is good, but I haven't on the center yet.
I'm just gonna use mine.
Okay.
The outside is so good.
Mhm.
It's like mochi like.
You like the Chinese one? The one you like? Don't let the green bean throw you off. It's good. I'm glad we got it. Don't knock it till you try it. It's really good. I'm glad we got it. Good snack. Also freshly made. Different mode now. We didn't know there was a whole train. I feel like this is way more better than...
Not as scary.
Not as scary. And the view's better. So we are back in the hotel. It's raining like really hard. We ended up going to a mart. See, it's raining. It's raining right now. We went into the mart. Wait, I need to do like a little haul for you guys. What we bought in the shopping mall. We had a lot of really good stuff, but they're just sold out. So I got this Vaseline one. It's like the tinted one. I don't see this a lot in Hong Kong, so I had to get it. And then this is my favorite one. Lip tint from Style Nanda. I saw this tint and I was like, wait, I really like the color. So I got it. Let me show you. So pretty. And then Demi got a bunch of lashes. Apparently they're really popular and they're even sold out. So these are the only things that I bought. So Demi, Demi has decided what we might as well walk in the rain. Did we just cross? Yeah. That's kind of a vibe though. Because we're all dry from our raincoats. So I'm gonna go to the shop and then we're gonna go eat. So it's like a 12-minute walk. It's kind of nice though. I love this action camera. I can take it out when it's raining. I love it. Okay, anyways. Oh, shiitake mushrooms. Okay, anyways. Bye, see ya. Okay guys, so we ended up in this place. And we decided to eat pho in the rain.
I'm gonna try this chili oil.
Try it, let me know.
And then I think I put a lot. And I think this is
This I think. Yeah, I think so. A little bit of that. Okay, let me know how's the chili. So I got chicken pho and she got beef pho.
the soup is always hitting. Let the bean curd cook in the soup for a bit.
That's so good. That is so good.
Wait, it's missing the acidity. Sugar up?
Huh?
Is it really good? Spicy?
Yeah, a little bit good.
Just get a little bit. How many lambs did you eat? 3? And then you put a bit of the fish sauce, right?
Yeah.
Ting-tik still.
Yum,
yum, yum.
I really love those leaves there. These ones. I don't know what they are. I'm pretty sure you don't eat the tangkai, but
It's not going in the pot.
ooh, that hits.
That spice is good. I think we can order in banh mi.
I was thinking the same.
My phone.